Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can join co-op hyperdimensional in Dragon Ball Legends. So you can take down powerful foes to get deluxe item. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner or new into this game. So let's get started by tapping menu, tap this co-op hyperdimensional co-op. And you have to do this first tutorial battle to play this co-op like this, and tap ready after we found the body. So you play with friends to take down the foes. So this is me and my friend. So this is the tutorial. So you have to face this, and the enemy have shield broke, so you have to be tactfully. And my buddy is getting attacked, and tap this one, the assist icon. So please learn this co-op mission, playing with your friends to take down powerful enemy. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.